Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I know I haven't filmed a video in a while. I'm really sorry about that. I really have no other excuse except that I lost motivation. I just wasn't really feeling it. But I'm here now and I'm back with a new video. So today I'm going to be doing a what's on my iPhone video. I've never done one of these before, like even when I was younger in my beauty guru stage. I remember this was popular in like 2014 or like years before, many years ago, many moons ago. But I saw they're kind of coming back, like I've seen a few on YouTube, and I thought I'd do one because I've never done one before and I thought it'd be a cool new experience. I've watched a few of these videos, but not really recently, just like when I was younger. I remember watching like a few, so I don't really know how this works. I don't really know if I'm supposed to not show some certain apps or like, I don't really know. So we're just gonna go with the flow and see how this turns out. My background is just this cute little beach, but it's actually a hidden background and it's Timothée Chalamet. So I'm just gonna play it and you could see just little scenes of him from like different movies. And I'm obsessed with Timothée Chalamet, you guys may know. But yeah, he's my background. I don't really like the hidden part of it just because I feel like that's not really my like aesthetic, whatever. But I don't know how to make one of these myself. I just find these on TikTok. And then this is what my phone looks like when you go in it. So this is my home screen. It just has cute little sayings, positive sayings, just happy background. I probably just got that off of Google or Pinterest or something like that. I think I just googled like VSCO backgrounds. I don't even know. But basically on the first one you just have your basic apps, photos, weather, clock, notes, I use a lot, camera, messages, settings, app store, and calculator. And then I have the disposable app, and I think this app was made by David Dobrik, I'm almost positive. And I think this app is really cool because then you just don't need to buy a disposable camera, but I feel like it's almost harder than using a disposable camera. Maybe not, but like it's not as fun as using a disposable camera. It takes 24 hours to develop, which gives it like that vibe of waiting. But yeah, I think it's a pretty cool app. And then I have my other folder, and in here again I just have more basics: Google Maps, contacts, Google Calendar. Then I have my money apps: Chase, Venmo, PayPal. Find my iPhone, reminders, Quizlet for school. Then I have my voice memos where if anyone goes into that app, I will die, because that's where I keep all my little singing videos. I hope no one can hack into that now that I said that. Okay, moving on. Then I have this ukulele app, and I don't really use my ukulele as much as I used to, but it just helps me tune it. That's the only reason I have it. That's the only reason I have it. And then I have my Camera Connect, which, what is this for? It's so you can access your camera footage from your phone. So after I film this, I could get it on my phone. Helpful app, I guess. I don't really use it, but it's always there if I need it. Then I have my calendar app, and then a Life 360, woo woo, and Health app, which I wish I could delete because I have no idea what it does. Same with files and wallet, and I don't use Maps, I just use Google Maps. The Mail app, which I don't use, I use my Google Mail app. iTunes Store and Podcast. These are just apps I don't really use that much, or like are just other and just businessy kind of. I don't really know, it's just there. Then I have my media folder, and in this folder I have my FaceTime app, which I frequently use, Instagram, Pinterest. I'm just gonna open Pinterest real quick because I love my Pinterest. This is my Pinterest. Oh, this is a weird update, but this is what it looks like, and it's just Hannah Murray if you wanna follow me on there. I pin a lot of things. I love my, okay, I can't find it because I have no idea how to use this new update, but here. My outfit inspo board is the one I always add to. And then I have my Twitter, which I'm actually locked out of at the moment, which is really upsetting because I like going on there to see like the drama and like the news, you know, with like creators and stuff, but right now I can't really go on there. Then I have my Spotify, and then I have VSCO, which I use to edit my photos, and I know it's just like a VSCO. I have a VSCO like most people do. And then TikTok, classic. I have my Snapchat, YouTube, and then on the next slide I have Power School, which is just a school app. YouTube Studio, which is a cool app to track, oh, cool new update. It's a cool app to track your analytics, your YouTube videos, and just like cool to check once in a while. And then I have my Messenger app, Poshmark, Depop, and Curtsy, which I just use to buy and sell clothes, Netflix, Hulu, Disney Plus. Straightforward, just entertainment reasons. And then I have Facebook and WhatsApp, and I don't really use those that often, but they're there if I need them. And then on the last page, it gets a little more interesting. So first I have my editing folder, and I'm not gonna lie, a lot of these apps I'm not gonna remember what they do, because usually when I download editing apps, I don't use them after I first use them. Like I have an idea in my head of like an edit I want, and then like I use it just that once, then I kind of forget about it. Let's just try. So first I have Splice, and this one is to edit videos together. I think I used it because there's more features on here compared to like other apps I had, like compared to iMovie or something. I kind of forget. Then I have UDoodle, which I got after, I think it was Adeline Morin's What's on My iPhone years ago. And oh, there's a thumbnail. If you've been following Adeline Morin for like a while, you know she used to do like little doodles on her Instagram photos, and I remember her saying that she used this app. But now I use it for fixing red eyes in flash photos, or light eyes, or thumbnails, as you can see. And then we have Boomerang, which I haven't used in so long. What was it for? Oh yeah, just cute little boomerangs. I used that when I was younger. I feel like no one really uses it anymore. But yeah, it's just there. And then I have Vaunt, which, what does this do again? Oh yeah, I use this for like making little thumbnail edits if I can't do it on the computer, or I don't know, I just use this in the past for little edits. Then I have Lively, and I forget what this does. It does something with Instagram photos. I really don't remember. And then Facetune, I just use this for red eyes in my flash photos, or like, again, light eyes from the flash, or acne or like skin things where it's like really prominent. I have Video Crop, which I can't access because, as you can see, this just pops up, so I'm just gonna have to delete it. I just used it to crop videos, I guess. I mean, it's in the name. PixArt, I don't know what it is, but let's see. Oh, I have to like log in. What is it? Oh, I forget what it is. But I think, oh, I think that was used just for like a little intro edit I wanted to. I forget. See, I'm sorry guys, I don't know. Reverse video, it was just to put a video in reverse, probably in the past. Move Stash? Oh, you can blur videos. Yes, I used that for English project a few years ago. Sparkle Cam, this is a cool app that allows you to add sparkles. Okay, so for example, this is a picture of my Instagram. You can see the sparkles like down there, and is there any more? I don't know, there's like little sparkles. And the before was just no sparkles, so that's what it does. Then I have Airbrush, which I just use for smoothing, again, like smoothing out my skin or acne, or it also has cool edits like for your eyes. It makes them more like bright. I don't want to go in like every single one just because I don't want this video to be too long. But Fonto is just another editing app for like little thumbnails or edits for my videos. Collage I use for posting like birthday things on Instagram, or just little collages of pictures that I took that I just want to put around. I don't really use it anymore though, because you can do it straight on Instagram now. And then Filter, what is this app? This app, I guess, is just filters. And then Shortcuts, that apparently you can do cool things with. I haven't even checked it out yet. I just saw it on TikTok and I just downloaded it. You can do like cool things with your iPhone. I don't really know. Lightroom, this is for presets, but I don't know how to use Lightroom, so I don't use it. Raise Me, what is this? I think this might be a scholarship app. Maybe, I don't know. So I don't know why it's in this editing folder. But Tezza, that's just for filters. iMovie, obvious, if I just want to edit a little clip, I don't know, just, you know, for editing. Superimpose, I don't know what I use this for, I kind of forget. Oh, I think this is for if you want to make a PNG file, like PNG background, I think. Prequel, another editing app for filters and cool things. Video Collage, probably got it because iMovie didn't have the features that I want to use. Same with Video Collage. Mega Photo, oh yeah. These have cool video edits I used for intros. Cooke and Pocket Video, I think they're also just like intro apps I just used for video editing. And that's it for my editing apps. So then we go into Rando, and it just has some random apps. The Flow app is a period tracker. I really like this app. It's accurate and it helps, and just I think you should get it if you are a girl. And then user testing. Oh yeah, that's a cool thing you can actually make money on. You can test out websites, or like they give you tasks, and each one you do is like 5 to 20 minutes, or it can be longer than 20, but that's like the average. And you get paid $10 each one you do, which is so cool. I actually saw it on TikTok and I think you guys should check that out. But I usually do them on my computer, but sometimes they offer ones on iPhone, which is why I have the app. Then I have the Whistle app, and that's for tracking my dog. She has a little tracker, so if she runs away, we can find her. BuzzFeed, that's because we were taking BuzzFeed quizzes when I was hanging out with my friends on time, and it's just kind of fun sometimes if you just want to take some quizzes. That's not funny. Then I have my Fetch Rewards app, and this app is really cool. You can get points by scanning receipts, and you save up these points to get gift cards, and so you can like buy clothes. Like I saw this on TikTok and people were like, use my code for Fetch. I was like, what is this? This seems cool. So you can get points, and if you refer a friend, I get 2,000 points and you get 2,000 points when you sign up, so that gets you closer to getting your gift card. You just need to use a code when you sign up, which is 1WCDU. And it's all capitalized, and you just do that and you get some points, and it's really cool. And I really like this app because you can scan any receipt you have. Then I have CoStar, and I don't use this app. I have no idea how to use this app, but people were using it in my school a few months back, and I just downloaded it, but I never really set it up or anything. Daily horoscope, sometimes I look at these, and it's pretty cool. I'm a Sagittarius, so let's look at today's. You are a take charge sign. Oh, how nice. And then I have this 30-day app workout app. This app I used a while ago. I haven't used it in a while. It's just when I wanted to do this like challenge. I think Julia did it with me. That didn't age well. Then I have this photo spin. Oh yeah, this is a really cool, fun app. Like it takes photos out of your camera roll. It's kind of like photo roulette, and you have to guess what whose camera roll it's from, and it's so fun. This one is a stupid test. I just downloaded this once. I think I maybe saw it on TikTok or something, but I don't use it. I don't really play games on my phone. But then I have the Classroom, which is another school app. Google Classroom, you guys probably know what that is. Zoom, classic. Then the last app in this folder I have is my VPN app, which I use to hack into Netflix in different countries to get different shows and movies. But I saw that app on TikTok, and if you want to look it up on TikTok and how to use it, look up VPN on TikTok and videos about it should come up. Lastly, I have my stores folder. I think you can get rewards with some of these apps, but basically Amazon, Forever 21, DoorDash. I usually just use DoorDash when I'm in shows, like musicals, and it's like tech week, or and we're at rehearsals and we just want food, but it's really expensive, so I don't use it often. AliExpress, Nordstrom, Garage, Chick-fil-A, Moe's, Panera Bread. And then I have Dough, which I don't use. I only, like when I first downloaded, I used it for a little while, but like I don't use it anymore. Don't even know why it's useful. Like I kind of forget what it's used for. But then I have Wish, and I used to be obsessed with this app. I'm telling you, like I bought something off this app like every single day in freshman year. It was crazy. I use this app all the time. I don't really anymore, but I should really, because I loved Wish so much. It was like my favorite app ever. Then I have Starbucks app, which I don't really know what it does, so I don't really know why I have it. But then I have Shein, Pax, and Mercari, which Mercari is another buy sell app, I think, so I don't know why it's in the stores folder. I kind of want to put it in the media, but just because I don't use it as often as the other three that I mentioned. And then Zaffle and Romley, and that is it for my phone. I'm sorry if I didn't explain apps as thoroughly as you wish. I apologize. I wasn't sure which apps I should explain and which I shouldn't, and if you have any questions about my apps, please let me know. Please let me know down in the comments below, because I will definitely answer them. And I'm sorry if I didn't explain it properly, because I really don't know how to do this kind of video, but I did it, and I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!